How to post long emails on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to post long emails on Instagram. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips video. Firstly, before opening or launching Instagram app, you must have the long emails. From different kinds of website through web browser, you can easily get the long emails. For example, on the Square emails, you can easily open it and then bring the long emails from there. After that, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. Now tap plus button at bottom of the screen, and here you have to select the long emails that you want to post. Tap next button at top right corner of the screen. And after that, you can easily customize every options from here. And after that, tap next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap OK. And here you can write a caption, add location, tag peoples, add music, add AI labels, change the audience, and many more. If you wish to share to Facebook, toggle the button on and tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Not Now, and after that, the emails will be posted on Instagram. That is how we post long emails on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to use or log in Viber with different accounts. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Viber app on your device. Make sure to update your app. Tap More button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap Settings. Now go to Account. Under Account, you will see different option, but there is no option to add another account. Instead, there is the option to change the phone number and deactivate account. But let me show you one trick to use multiple accounts or two accounts on a single phone on Viber. For that, go ahead and open Settings. Scroll down. Or you can tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in Dual App or Clone App. If you search for Dual and the option is there, then you can easily tap on it. Otherwise, here you got the option of App Cloner. Tap on App Cloner. Once it opens, you need to select the Viber app. So let's open it. And here is the option to create app clone. Toggle it on and it will appear on your home screen. When you have two applications on your home screen, you can easily add the phone number that is new from the old one, and you can easily manage two accounts on a single Viber account. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.